Hello and welcome to another episode of Kajabi in 5 minutes. I'm your host, JD from Kajabi in 5 minutes. Also, the code support, it depends if you're seeing me on the web or in YouTube. So, what is up with the downloads product in Kajabi? This is a new product. I don't know exactly when it came out, but it's recent, within the last few months, I think. And when I saw it, I thought to myself, as probably many other people did, why do I need a product for downloads? I can just give people a download in an email, or I can put it on a landing page, or if they're in a course, I can just add downloads there. So I dug into it and, here's what it is. So the downloads product is a way for you to deliver download type things in a more secure and more professional, I guess, or kind of standardized, formatted way. Um, Basically, what it is Kajabi has an actual product area, like a portal. If somebody buys a downloaded product offer from you, they'll go to the library, and there's actually like a product there they can go into, and there they can see a little one page with, you can have a little nice image and some words, and then here's the files over here, one of them or lots of them, and they can download them. And so if you're selling, files, then this is a good way to do it because, for one, they kind of live there forever, and it's secure. So people have to log into your website in order to access it, and the files are there. So they don't have to dig through emails, for one, if they need to find this file again. And they don't have to remember landing page links if you've been putting them on a landing page. This is actually a great way to just create a very consistent, safe place for it to always be for your people. And so that's kind of why it exists and why it's great. It's themed, with your website theme. So the page is just automatically tied to your website theme settings for primary color and font and all of that stuff. And it's just part of your Kajabi ecosystem. So this is really great if people are already logging into the library for things like a course or a community. You can throw a downloads product in there, and it's awesome. Now, I still for sure recommend, if the downloads is part of a course, then just have them in your course where the modules and the lessons are. That's going to make a lot more sense to your people than, getting them to go out of the course and then into this in order to get the download. But if the downloads aren't part of a course, then this is a great way to do it. So that's in a nutshell what it is. Some good things to know is that the downloads product uses one of your quota products, but you can put as many things in it as you want. So you can have several different downloads available. You can have, a download package with all of these items in it that can be downloaded, or you can have a bunch of different ones, that you can all sell. Doesn't matter if you're just using one or lots. It's still just one product. So that's nice. And another great thing about it that kind of was weird about, delivering an ebook or some downloads through an email or a landing page with no product attached to your offer and kind of a ghost offer, so to speak. Now there's a reason for people to create a username and password. And it was always kind of awkward to, have people go through your checkout page and then make a password and have absolutely no reason to log in, or go to the library page afterwards and have nothing there. That's just no. So now, people will get directed into the library. They go into a product and they've got the download. So it's really easy to set up. And if you are selling files, then this could be a great way for you to do it. So go and check it out. And that's what I've got for you today. So I hope you enjoyed it. Tune in next week for some more great Kajabi bits.